Hey all, welcome back. This is Saravanan Vajravel from OneTouchBI.
Today I am going to show you in detail how to enable Cognos Legacy UI interface. The interface, what you see, this is a landing page of Cognos 11 or Cognos Analytics window. This is a modern visual UI, whereas the legacy UI is different from the modern one. The legacy UI, which is very similar to the File Explorer window. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to bring back the legacy interface in addition to the existing modernized visual UI. So let's head over to that demo. Click on Manage, click on Administration Console, go to Status tab and click on Systems. In the middle section, you have a scorecard window. Under scorecard, you can see a system. Right next to that there is a drop down icon. Click on Set Properties. Go to the Settings tab. Under Category, you choose Environment and the first entry, Advanced Settings. Click Edit. Make sure you have this value entered in this configuration section. Portal.disableCC should be typed under parameter and the value should be given false. The default value is true, and that's the reason the legacy UI interface is not enabled by default. So what we try to do over here is we are bringing back the legacy UI interface. Now click OK to apply the settings. Click further OK and you're done. So now what I'm going to do, you usually invoke the URL until BI. Now I'm going to open a new tab. The moment you invoke until BI, you get the default landing page. In order to see the legacy window, you have to suffix v1/disp/ with the regular UI, because only then the settings what you configured on the legacy UI that will be triggered with the help of this URL. So now you are explicitly invoking the legacy UI. Now you got the interface. This is exactly you would have seen in the Cognos 8x, 10x, and now we are able to see the same one in the Cognos 11. The only drawback with this is if you want to open the Report Studio or Query Studio or Analytics Studio, that you can't open from this window. For that you need to go back to the normal landing page, the normal UI. What you can do over here is basically it enables you to copy multiple items at one shot. You can copy multiple folders, multiple reports at one time by simple click on the copy button and go to that my folder or any other place and then go and paste it. So to make it more interesting, what I'm going to do, I will copy these 3 folders, then go to the my folder and then paste it over here. Boom, you're done. See, at one single click I did a mass copy paste. That's it for the today's demo. I will come back with another interesting video. Till then, it's signing off from Saravanan Vajravel.